In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into your website. Embedding Calendly is a fantastic way to streamline the scheduling process, allowing visitors to book appointments directly from your site without the back and forth of email exchanges. This can significantly enhance convenience for both you and your clients, making scheduling faster and more efficient. Let's begin by heading over to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard laid out with all your meeting types and scheduling options. This is your central hub for managing and customizing your scheduling links. Next, look towards the right-hand side for the three dots located next to the View Landing Page option. Clicking these three dots will open up a drop-down menu with more actions you can take for your meeting types. Now, in that drop-down menu, go ahead and click on the option that says Add to Website. This is the pathway to easily integrate your Calendly functionality directly into your site. Once you select Add to Website, you need to choose the type of embed option you want. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on Inline Embed. This option allows Calendly to be placed seamlessly within the content of your website, making it an elegant and user-friendly choice. After selecting Inline Embed, simply click on the Continue button to move forward. At this point, Calendly will generate a custom embed code for your website. Here, you have the ability to customize the appearance and behavior of your embedded calendar. This might include adjusting dimensions or modifying how the calendar responds to visitors on different devices. These customization settings ensure that the integration matches your site's style and functionality perfectly. Once you are satisfied with your settings and any customizations you've made to the embed code, it's time for the final step. Simply click on Copy to copy the embed code. With the embed code copied to your clipboard, you can now paste it into the HTML of your preferred web page. This might be within a content management system or directly in the code editor of your site. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully embedded Calendly into your website. This will provide a consistent and professional experience for your clients, as they can now book their appointments effortlessly. Don't forget to test the embedded calendar on your site to ensure it displays correctly and functions as expected for visitors. Embedding tools like Calendly can enhance your site's interactivity and user experience, marking a significant upgrade in your scheduling processes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more guides on optimizing your digital presence.